At Clearview Windshield Repair, we are a proactive windshield repair company. Our company is a small, local Colorado business. We started in 1998. We proactively seek out the stone breaks and cracks to keep your windshields from having to be replaced. Stone break repair, chip repair, bullseyes, cracks, pressure rings. I also take on a number of other repairs that most other companies will send you down the road or to get a windshield replacement. Our company will never overlook and never opt out of doing a repair so that you can avoid any unnecessary replacements. I believe that my faith in God drives me to do the best that I can for everybody I encounter. Running your own business, it's hard. It's hard to find your own clientele. CTK Directory has done a lot for me in growing my business. It's driven so many new, wonderful clientele to my front door, and I just have to open it. And CTK makes it easy. I'm Heath Hine, the owner of Clearview Windshield Repair, and that's why I choose CTK.